What's good? What's really good? How are you guys doing today? Today I'm coming to you with a hair review from DSoar Hair. I was sponsored, thank you Jesus. I love being sponsored because it saves me a lot of money, but also gives me a lot of content to give to you guys. But yes, today I'm bringing to you a hair review from DSoar. I have their Peruvian loose wave, and I have a 20-inch frontal, a 20-inch frontal, a 20, a 22, and a 24. And this is how it's looking like. My brightness looks a little bit too bright. One sec. Hopefully that is better. It looked too much. Hopefully that's better. But yes, I have the Peruvian loose wave, and this is how it looks like, and this is where it falls on me. I so far really love this hair, okay? This is bomb hair. I've had deep wave from Ali Pro, but sometimes I wanted it to be a little looser, and this is like the perfect wave for me. And like this so much longer. I love how long it is. I love it. I have 3 bundles, like I said, and like when I sewed on the wig, it was huge. It was like up to like here. I mean, like dead ass. It was up to here. Like, I had to take out tracks out of my wig to make it look like reasonable. I mean, like if you like big hair, that's not a problem. But for me, I like big hair, but for certain occasions, not like an everyday type of look. So I had to take out some tracks because that was a little too much. I'll probably like insert a video or something on the side, whatever, here on how it looks like before I took out the tracks. But this is really full hair. Like if you like this, I think you can get away with 2.5 bundles because the frontal itself is thick, so it's just a lot. It was just a lot going on that I had to take out 2 tracks. So this is not all the tracks in my wig. I actually have the leftover. Let me show you. First of all, it came into this box, and then this is a really pretty box. It's just a regular box that they be coming in. It came with the blue bonnet. It was so cute. I'll probably insert a video on how everything came. I think it came with, yeah, it came with a bonnet and some I believe it came with a wig cap as well. This is all the hair I have left. This is like tracks. Oops, it's falling. This and some in here. Like I took mostly the 20-inch out because I have 20-inch, my front is 20-inch, so that's a lot of hair. It was a lot of hair, and I just couldn't, like, I just could not. But yeah, let's say like it starts to shed and starts to like thin out, I can always just add it back in. That's the best. But yes, this is Peruvian hair, and my favorite texture of human hair is Peruvian, so I freaking love this. This is so pretty. Look at these waves. I have a little bit of a gel custard to define it a little bit and for it not to get too big in it, but it defines the curls, which is, I freaking love this. I freaking love this. Oh my. Yes. Oh. Let's talk about shipping. Well, shipping, they sent this to me in, I think it took like 5 days for them to ship it to me. I believe so. Customer service is amazing. They're really good. They've been with me from the start. Like I've been having some minor difficulties uploading this video and filming, but they've given me days to do this and I really appreciate them. So customer service is amazing. The quality of hair is amazing. I don't get any shedding. I get like little much. I mean, you get shedding like when you detangle, but that's normal for curly hair. Curly hair definitely sheds, but this doesn't shed too much because it's like a loose wave texture. It's more on the straighter side. This does not tangle at all. I'm doing all that. I'm not really getting. Oh, I got one strand actually. I just got one strand after doing that, but oh well, that's good. That's good for me because I have freaking a whole bunch of bundles left. Like a half a bundle left. I'm good. This is amazing hair. The quality is amazing. It doesn't shed. The luster is really, really pretty. Like, just look at this. This is some bomb hair. I believe these lengths in the frontal is worth about like $250. And honestly, I would pay that money for this. I think, yeah, because it's long as well. Look how long this is. It's long, so you're getting what you pay for, I believe. Truly believe you're getting I truly believe you're getting what you paid for. Seriously. That ass. Okay. I'm always playing in my hair. It's very distracting, but I'm sorry. But yeah. What else is there to say about this hair? The frontal came really full. I had to pluck a lot. It's a frontal, but I still have to pluck even more. I didn't lay this down 100% pretty, so I'm not gonna show it too much, but I had to pluck my part. This was full, okay? Everything about this hair was full, even the freaking frontal. So like I have to pluck even more on my frontal, but I get scared to pluck too much because curly hair, wavy hair will soon shed. So I just get nervous to pluck too much and it start balding like very, very early when it shouldn't be. But yeah, what else can I say about this hair? DSoar hair. I never even heard of them before they contacted me, and I'm happy they contacted me because I freaking love this hair. This is my favorite deep wave, loose wave hair yet, honestly. If you want some deep wave, loose wave hair, I would definitely suggest this because it's so soft and it's amazing. It's not dry. These are the ends, and they need some TLC, but it's not terrible. It's not. What else should I say about this hair? It doesn't really tangle. It doesn't tangle at all, actually. Natural curl pattern. I haven't straightened it yet, but I kind of really want to. Then again, I don't want to because I might mess up the wave pattern. But when you spray it, it comes back to life. It comes back to natural curl pattern. And I love when you spray it dries really quickly to this. Like I sprayed this about 30 minutes ago and it's dried, which I love. I hate when hair takes forever to dry. Quality is amazing. I rate this hair so far a 9 out of 10. I wouldn't rate it a 10 because, wait, why wouldn't I rate it a 10? Well, okay, actually, I actually rate this hair a 10 out of 10. This is my favorite hair. I just love it. I love this. But I don't know what else to say about this hair. If you have any questions about this hair, let me know down in the comment section. I usually reply to every single comment. I try to get to everybody. I try to. Yes. But yeah, any questions, any comments, let me know down in the comment section. Follow me on my Instagram page. Yes. I'll leave that in the bottom below of this video. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, like it up, like it up, like it up, like it up. And thank you for supporting my channel. Thank you for everything so far. Yeah, I'm growing, and we is growing as a familia, and I'm so grateful. Subscribe to my channel, subscribe, continue to subscribe because I love you guys. And yes, thank you guys, thank you for watching. Hope you liked it. Bye.